Gold recently suffered its worst two-day drop in 30 years after rising more or less steadily for the last decade. And no one can say for sure why it fell, but then no one really can say why it climbed so high either. Thousands of years ago, traders needed some common form of currency, and that's how gold got its role as money. And even today there are those who believe that gold is the only asset of any real value because other assets don't have anything backing them up. But what does gold have backing it up? Stocks represent companies and have earnings and pay dividends. Bonds pay interest and are backed by a legally enforceable promise to pay back the original investment. And gold? Well, it's a shiny, somewhat scarce metal that is useful in jewelry and certain manufactured products. Gold bugs correctly point out that a currency like the dollar is nothing more than an idea, a fantasy that everyone sort of buys into in order to have some common reference point for wealth. But what makes gold any better? I mean, it's nothing more than an idea either. It has very little intrinsic value of its own, only whatever value we place on it. So as far as I'm concerned, gold is a commodity that we include in the larger commodities asset class. And in that sense, I do understand it. I just hope I never have to use it as money.